I've been learning Irish for a number of years, but I was living in California for most of that time, which makes it kind of difficult to learn a language. And what I really liked about this project was that I had the chance to get grammar, which I need to work on, and vocabulary, which I really need work on, in the context of an interesting story, which makes it so much easier to retain than when you just see it in a book or with a long list of words with no context. Listening is also different. It's also difficult sometimes because the audio that comes with books is usually not very interesting with textbooks. And if you try to listen to Radio na Gaeltachta or something like that, it's usually too high a level for someone like me. And so this was just right. The pace that Joe read at was just right so that it was accessible to someone at the intermediate level like me. But it was still felt natural and was interesting to listen to. And the meetings were also really helpful because when you take an online course, it's easy to feel isolated sometimes. But there were enough meetings that you didn't have that feeling of being isolated. It wasn't so much that it was overwhelming. It still fit into your daily life. But you still definitely had the incentive to keep up with the group so that you could participate in the discussions. And that really helped keep the project alive and kept my incentive to keep going and finish the book together with the rest of the group. So I would definitely recommend this project. It was challenging in a good way, and it was also a lot of fun.